Last time we discussed mind obstructed by Qi stagnation. This time we go a little further, mind obstructed by blood stasis. The primary treatment principle for mind obstructed due to heart blood stasis is
Hard blood stasis.
Regulate blood, eliminate stasis, clear the heart, and calm the mind.
which
Correct.
opens the mind's orifices in heart blood stasis.
Precardium 5.
P5. Front collecting point of the heart used in heart blood stasis.
Ren 14.
Ren
14.
14.
Which point is the gathering point of blood?
Bladder 17.
Blood
Blood
17.
stasis agitates the mind because
Qi and blood cannot flow smoothly.
smoothly.
which emotion is not a cause of heart blood stasis?
Fear.
Before heart blood stasis develops from emotions, the condition usually passes through. So ano yung first condition? Before
Qi stagnation.
Stagnation.
dapat hindi
Qi stagnation.
ma-stress, no? Yung mga na-stress dyan, kung tennis yan.
Wala kong excuse ako dyan.
Okay. Oo, halata naman. Okay. Which symptom is most characteristic of blood stasis?
Fixed stabbing chest pain.
Stabbing pain. Chest
The heart
pain.
houses.
Siba na siya, Chen.
Which treatment goal is not among common TC and treatment principles for heart blood stasis?
Nourish our blood.
Ano?
Tonify kidney.
Importante mo ino
Tonify.
heart blood, ha?
Sorry, tonify. To tonify mo ng kidney. Mali ako.
Tonify. Wala na nang, hindi na tumatakbo yung blood. Hindi mo pa ino.
Lalong babaluin.
In heart blood stasis, bladder 44 is used primarily to...
Clear the heart
The
and
heart and calm
calm
the
the mind.
mind.
Okay, bladder 44 is the outer box shoe of the heart. So bladder 15 yon plus 29. Don't ask me why they have to add 29. Okay. So 15 plus 9, 29, 44. This is for the mental component of the heart, no? Which point moves Qi in the chest to assist blood circulation?
Ren 17.
17. Which symptom is associated with severe heart blood stasis affecting the mind?
Manic behavior.
The recommended needling method for chronic heart blood stasis.
Reducing
Even method.
Difficulty concentrating is a manifestation of
Heart blood stasis.
which of the following is not a heart blood stasis manifestation?
Chronic diarrhea.
The treatment principle for blood stasis in the lower burner includes harmonizing.
Penetrating and directing vessel.
What's another name for penetrating?
Penetrating.
Dumay.
No.
Dumay.
No.
Hindi.
Chong.
Directing. Direct
blood,
is another name for renmai. Okay, penetrating is chongmai. Directing is renmai. Which point combination requires penetrating vessel and regulates, the penetrating vessel and invigorates blood?
Spleen for
and spleen pericardium 6.
Okay, para hindi nyo masagot, penetrating ang ginamit instead of chong, okay? Spleen 10 invigorates blood in
uterus.
Really? Which point invigorates blood in the uterus and calms the mind?
Spleen 1.
218 is useful for
Mental restlessness and manic behavior.
Which organ systems primarily constitute the lower burner?
Bladder,
Kidney,
kidney,
reproductive organ, lower abdomen.
Mental
Lower
blood burner stasis is thought to arise because
blood stasis disrupts chain function.
a dark or purple tongue.
Blood stasis.
Which is associated with lower burner blood stasis, but not emphasized in heart blood stasis.
Lower abdominal fullness.
The context of lower blood burner. Ano to context? The classical context of lower burner blood stasis involves accumulation of blood where?
Hypogastrium.
Accumulation of blood in the hypogastrium originally follows
Cold
Cold
invasion.
invasion.
Okay, kaya wag masyadong mag-uupo sa mga malalamig na
May-
magbababad masyado sa tubig, no? A hallmark symptom of the greater young organ pattern from blood accumulation.
Fever at night.
Which emotional factor frequently leads to lower burner blood stasis in women?
Guilt.
Guilt.
A special use of the lower burner formula.
Psychosis from uterine blood stasis after childbirth.
Treatment principle for liver blood stasis includes settling liver,
Eterisol. PUN.
which point is reinforced in chronic liver blood stasis.
Chronic. Bladder 47.
Yeah, kasi bladder 18 plus 29. Okay. Bladder 47 primarily,
Settles the eterisol.
which point pacifies the liver and calms the mind?
Diba?
P6.
Oh.
P6.
Which point opens the mind orifices and calms the mind in liver blood stasis?
Pag liver blood. P7.
P7.
Do 24 and GB13. I know you should use this. This is so good. So effective. Primarily to
222.
All the mind and liver patterns.
Okay.
mga galit, may mga hugot. Which emotion is not a cause of liver blood stasis?
Fear.
Obsessive jealousy is most associated with, obsessive jealousy.
Liver blood stasis.
Okay.
Kakilala ko ganyan.
Jealousy dyan.
So,
Sobra-sobra kaloka.
wag maging obsessed. Hello. Extreme depression accompanied by violent outbursts of anger.
Liver blood stasis.
Basta anger. Which point combination invigorates liver blood?
Diba? Bladder 8 and liver 14.
Liver 14.
Point opens the mind's orifices in liver blood stasis.
Orifices.
GB18.
Wow.
GB18.
Blood is described as
The residence of the mind.
Residence of the mind.
heart blood stasis obstructs the mind because
Blood
Blood
fails to
fails to
circulate to
circulate.
nourish the mind.
which pattern is associated with reproductive and menstrual problems?
Lower bladder blood stasis.
Dark menstrual blood and fixed stabbing pain.
Blood stasis.
The point
Tama.
6 appears in
Lower burner blood
Oh.
stasis only.
no, all
All
three.
three.
Stasis. Sorry.
Oo nga pala. Lahat stasis
All
yan.
All
All three.
which point appears in all three treatment protocols?
P6.
Which pattern is most closely linked to manic behavior? Second, naging manic ka ba, sir? Sir, yung totoo.
Heart deficiency. Liver blood stasis.
Liver blood stasis. Grabe.
Diyos ko, naging manic, no? Kaya wag masyadong magselos. Okay, TCM blood stasis. Diagnoses are
Barton diagnosed with TCM theory.
which statement best summarizes the common mechanism underlying all mind-obstructed blood stasis patterns?
Blood stagnation interferes with the nourishment and stability of the sheath.
Okay, so dapat para hindi maisiraan ng bait, okay? Thank you.
Mag-meditation.
Congratulations.